Unleashing your productivity. Master the Pomodoro Technique. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're diving into a fantastic study skill called the Pomodoro Technique. This time management strategy will help you boost your productivity and make your English learning journey more effective. So, grab your notebooks, and let's get started. The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. The technique uses a timer to break work into intervals, traditionally 25 minutes in length, separated by short breaks. These intervals are known as pomodoros, the plural in English of the Italian word pomodoro, tomato, after the tomato-shaped kitchen timer that Cirillo used as a university student. This method encourages you to focus on one task at a time, eliminating distractions and making your study time highly productive. Implementing the Pomodoro Technique is simple and requires just a few steps. 1. Choose a task you want to work on. This could be learning new English vocabulary, practicing grammar, or listening comprehension. 2. Set a timer for 25 minutes. During this time, focus only on your chosen task. 3. Work on the task until the timer goes off. If you get distracted, quickly jot down what distracted you and return to your task. 4. Take a short break. About 5 minutes. Stand up, stretch, grab a cup of coffee, or do anything else that gives your mind a break. 5. Repeat the process. After every fourth Pomodoro, take a longer break, about 15 to 30 minutes. Remember, it's important to respect the timer. When it rings, take a break. The objective here is to avoid burnout and keep your mind fresh and focused. The Pomodoro Technique has multiple benefits, especially for language learners. 1. Improves focus and concentration. By working in short sprints, it helps maintain high levels of concentration. 2. Reduces the feeling of being overwhelmed. By breaking your study time into manageable chunks, it makes the learning process less daunting. 3. Increases productivity and efficiency. By encouraging you to work within the time constraints, it pushes you to make the most out of your study time. So, there you have it, folks. That's the Pomodoro Technique for you, a simple yet powerful tool to enhance your English language learning journey. Give it a try and watch your productivity soar. Remember, mastering a new language is a marathon, not a sprint. Happy studying, and see you in our next video.